Have you ever stopped and wondered, what are tornadoes and how are they formed? Well, in this video we're going to be talking about both of those things. What is a tornado? A tornado is normally a mix of cold air from the north and warm air coming from the south spinning vertically. As you may see here, warm moist air from the equator is coming in contact with warm dry air over here, cold dry air over here, causing tornadoes in these areas. Normally they're formed in the US in this section called Tornado Alley. As you can see, Colorado is also part of that. So, how is a tornado formed? A tornado formed is when those two air masses collide, start mixing up together, and the warm air, as you see here, is under the cold air, which is the blue labeled here. And as we know, warm air rises, and the cold air sinks, so it causes a bit of pressure in between these, causing it to spin. Then, warm air, under the immense pressure, tries to push up, causing the cold air, that mix, to kind of like jump out and bulge. Then that bulge grows and grows. As you can see, it starts swirling vertically and causing it to go higher and higher, with the cold air going down to the bottom, warming up. Then the supercell goes and creates the actual storm. As you see, cold air is falling down, supplying it with more kind of air, and then making it warmer up here, and then causing it to make these big old clouds. And this is the thing that you see. This is the funnel part. So, what other weathers does tornado bring? Normally, participation is not a big deal compared to the actual tornado. So the tornado causes the more damage. Participation is more like a cause of the storm. They can depend on rain, hail, and very rare occasions snow. Some places like Minnesota have those, and not that big of an issue. They're like little snow things. Depending on the severity, so EF3 can cause ripping of roofs, flying cars, and you can rip out trees out of the roots and buildings. So warnings and safeties and things you know about them. So the warnings, so it goes from EF0 to EF5, and so EF0 starts at 65 to 85 miles an hour, and then EF1 starts at 86 to 110 miles an hour, EF2 starts at 111 to 135 miles an hour, EF3 is 136 to 165, EF4 is 166 to 200, and then EF5 is over 200. So this EF means a chance of a heater scale. So this is what this is. EF0 through EF3 should seek shelter in a central bathroom or a room underground. So for example, if you have an older house, there's a central bathroom, which is the center of the house, which is like kind of packed in with all the rest of the house. Or if you have like a basement with cement, or like a bunker in your backyard, that's very good spot to seek shelter in. EF4 through EF5 should seek shelter in a tornado shelter or evacuate the area. More likely, if it's in Tornado Alley, there would be a couple tornado shelters in your area, but if it's a new tornado in a different space, just evacuate.